Hi everyone, this is Dr. Latika from Amala Institute of Medical Sciences.
Life in the time of corona can be quite unsafe, especially so for the ophthalmologist. That's why WHO has recommended a slit lamp breath breaker or corona shield for safe ophthalmic practice. Unfortunately, this equipment is not yet widely available as it should be. So why don't we teach ourselves to make one? That's exactly what this video is all about. All you need to make a corona shield are an OHP sheet, the thickest one you can get, a blade, scissor, pen and double sticking tape. Just cut a window in the OHP and fix it onto the slit lamp. So easy, right? Yes, it could be, but beware of a little design hitch we should take care of. If we make a random sized large window like this in the OHP sheet, it may not fit well at all, flutter too much and be less effective as a barrier. This means that to make an effective corona shield, the cutout in the OHP must be small, just large enough to allow the sheet to slip past the widest anterior part of the slit lamp binoculars. To achieve this, we must have some method, measure and design. What we present here is a flexible hinge flap design. Now let's go step by step. The only measurement we need is the length and the breadth of the slit lamp binoculars. It is 12 by 6 cm in Hack Street, Zeiss and Takagi models. For purpose of clarity, let me detail the plan first on a piece of white paper. Draw a rectangle of 12 by 6 cm on the upper one-third of an OHP sheet. Cut out a small box of 10 by 3 cm from the top half of this box. Now make small cuts, side cuts from either side of the lower border of this small window and draw the blade down to create a hinge flap from the lower half of the big box. You can follow the line in red to make this sort of a design. Now, let us watch how this plan is put into action. Especially note the making of the cutout and the flap. Finally, this is how the corona shield looks. See how nicely this flap bends to allow the small size cutout to freely negotiate the much wider binoculars. Once in the correct position, the flap also snaps back, ensuring a perfect gap-free fit. The shield can be made further flutter-free by sticking it onto the slit lamp with a small bit of translucent double sticker tape. Also, the sharp corners of the OHP sheet may be rounded off with the scissors. Wow, our corona shield is fine and ready to use. Now go make yourself one today. Take care, stay safe and thanks for watching.